In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart in Google Docs. If you want to place a Lucidchart diagram into a Google Doc for a report, instructions, or a presentation draft, the process is very straightforward. The main idea is that you'll first export your diagram from Lucidchart as an image file, then insert that image into your document in Google Docs. To begin, open the Lucidchart diagram you want to use in Google Docs. Make sure you're on the correct diagram and that it looks the way you want before exporting, since this is the version that will be added to your document. Once you're inside the Lucidchart editor, go to the top menu bar and look toward the left side. Click the hamburger icon to open the menu. From there, hover over Export and then choose the file type you want to use. In most cases, PNG, JPEG, or SVG are the best options. For this example, we're using PNG, which is a great choice for keeping diagrams clear and easy to read. After selecting the format, a preview page will open. On the right-hand panel, you'll see several export options. This is where you can adjust the file format. If needed, choose crop settings and set the image quality. You may also see an option to include page fill, which can be useful depending on whether you want the background included. Take a moment to review these settings so your exported diagram looks the way you expect. When everything looks good, click Download in the top right corner and wait for the file to finish downloading to your computer. Next, open Google Docs and go to the document where you want the Lucidchart diagram to appear. Click in the exact area where you want to place it so the image is inserted in the right spot. Then go to Insert in the top ribbon, hover over Image, and choose Upload from Computer. Your file browser will open. In the file browser, locate the diagram you just downloaded from Lucidchart. Select the file, then press Enter on your keyboard, or click the option to open it. Google Docs will then upload the image and place it into your document. Once the diagram appears, you can click on it to make adjustments. Use the resize handles to make it larger or smaller, depending on how much space you want it to take up on the page. You can also drag it to reposition it as needed so it fits neatly with the rest of your content. And that's it. That's how to use Lucidchart in Google Docs.